Hi, I'm Gabrielle Herendeen, and welcome to my latest listing, 110 Via Pasqual, Redondo Beach. It's in the delightful neighborhood of the Hollywood Riviera. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, almost 2,800 square foot home that was extensively renovated in 2014. It's better than new and like stepping into a magazine. You step right into this traditional floor plan with the living space all together here, great room style. The finishings are exquisite and the home just exudes coastal elegance. The living room has this beautiful fireplace and connects right out to the backyard. The living space continues to this great dining room that's also connected to the outside by way of this fun Dutch door, and continue through to the breakfast bar that's perfect for casual dining or entertaining from home with appetizers. This home is located just a couple of blocks to delightful Riviera Village with shopping, restaurants, and the best of the beach lifestyle. The kitchen is truly the heart of this home with plenty of space for your loved ones to gather. There are immaculate finishings throughout and high-end Jenn-Air appliances, including this 6-burner range. Part of what makes this home so special are the abundant ocean views peppered throughout the property, including on the ground floor, which is very rare. 3 of the 5 bedrooms are located on the lower level. One of them offers direct access right to the beautiful backyard. There's a full hall bathroom, plus laundry, a middle bedroom, and the 3rd bedroom with the ensuite bathroom. Before we head upstairs, check out this great nook. This would work well as a conversation area or for homework. This gorgeous stairway offers abundant natural light, exquisite wainscoting, and wait until you see the view. Let the sound of the ocean waves lull you to sleep every night in this spacious primary suite that offers dual closets and an ensuite full bathroom. This tranquil 5-piece bathroom offers a separate stand-up shower, privacy doors to the restroom, dual sinks, and this exquisite soaking tub. This flexible 4th bedroom offers a double door entry, 2 closets, and enough space for your home office and your home gym. You even have an ocean view from this amazing backyard. The lot is almost 8,000 square feet, so there's plenty of space for patios, your outdoor furniture, the barbecue, this amazing pool for having so much fun this summer, a great side yard with plenty of grass for pets or the family, citrus tree, and decking for relaxing on a hot summer day. Thank you so much for joining me for this first look of this spectacular property. Please reach out today to arrange for your own private tour.